Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out, 1971 Chevy Nova. Great red paint with black stripes going down it, powered by a 350, 650 carb on there with a Th350 Auto trans, 10-bolt rear end with a 355 cruising gear. It's got four-wheel disc power brakes all the way around with power steering. Real nice car. Let's get up and close on this one. Just a beautiful Nova. Great stance. "20-inch Riddlers." Paint lies beautiful. Your gaps are real good all the way through. Your glass is in good shape, vent windows. Driver's glass is good. Rear quarter clean. Couple different flaws in the paint and stuff like that, but nothing of major. Just done right. Black painted stripes going all the way down the trunk. Lines up beautifully. Chrome bumper in the rear is in good shape. All your lights are intact. Passenger quarters in great shape. It's got a nice upgraded headers on here. Dual exhaust. Passenger gap doors from the quarter are good. Glass is good and chrome all the way around. Gap on the fender all the way down is great. Really nice car. Front bumper, good shape. Grille and lights are in real good condition. It's got a 4-inch cowl inducted hood. Again, with the black painted stripes right in there. Roof line is great. Chrome around the front windshield, which is in great shape, and wipers intact, which are working. Headlights, which are working. Turn signals, which are working. I got a couple little tiny flaws inside here. Maybe a good paint correction and a wet sand will help you out a little bit. I saw a few in here as well, but it's just great driver quality paint on here. Tiny little chip here, which could be touched up. Chrome handles are good, mirror intact. Clean underneath the car. No rust to be found anywhere. It's got a 10-bolt rear end, like I said, with a 355 gear, so you got plenty of cruising time. Let me get back off of it so you can take a look. Nice car. Let's take a look inside. Take a look inside there and see what you got. Heater is in op. Back seat's in great shape. Rear deck is holding on to 6.69s back there. All your seat belts are intact. Headliner's intact and is in good shape. Front seat belts are intact. It's a nice clean car. Got a B&M shifter in here. Dash pad's great. Sun visors are intact. You also got your harnesses here too. Big hood. Trunk area really nice. All your weather stripping is fresh all throughout the car. Quarter panels are in great shape. No real patching done. Solid trunk. Maybe a nice little coated set of paint inside there, but look at this. Solid. It's fired up. It's got a great sound. Okay, put this puppy in gear. Nice little rumble. Tires are in great condition. Aluminum radiator. Core support great. Real clean under the engine. Nice set of headers. All your hoses, wires, belts are in good shape. Listen to it one more time. Nice car. Guys or gals are looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739 credit score, go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com, click on the Nova, and go ahead and fill out the application. 10% down, 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, 84 months, good rates, approval generally within 24 hours. If you need shipping anywhere United States, enclosed or open, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. I'll get you some quotes. We are in Addison, Illinois, and we are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday from 10 till 2 by appointment only. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery, where we keep over 100 photos, video, as well as full description and pricing online. If you like our videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like us, check us out on Facebook. Like us on Facebook. My name is Earl. Thanks for watching our videos. 773-600-0919. We'll see you soon.